This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by Amy Silverman. Wonderful property with treetop views facing Ala Awai Canal from Lanai of lush grounds, courtyard and pool. 9 feet beadboard ceilings west/crown molding. New stove/oven, cherrywood hardwood flooring, 6 sliding frosted doors for reconfiguring the property any way you desire. Nice size master suite, remodeled kitchen with open passthru, remodeled bathrooms. Hidden Murphy bed makes another guest room. Washer and dryer in unit. Parking with a storage. Awesome amenities include pool, basketball, volleyball, tennis courts, putting green barbecue and lounge areas, 24/7 security, guest parking, storage area and more. Marco Polo has amazing sunrise and sunsets from this hidden gem in downtown Honolulu close to world-famous Waikiki, restaurants, bars, dining, beaches, golf and Ala Moana Mall. For more information